write Congress about the IRS and DOJ deception and free yourself of income tax, robbery, and slavery. I am Peymon Mottahedeh, the president of Freedom Law School, which I found in 1996. Our website, livefreenow.org, is your source of education and freedom that will be completely liberating to you. Let's go. I'm going to cover the topic for you quickly. If you go to our website, here it is, livefreenow.org, under the Income Tax Freedom download menu, you see 5 of these petition letters to send your congressman about income tax, tax withholding, Social Security, and a couple other topics. And why you should do it? Because that's the right thing to do. It's a political action as well as to protect yourself. Okay? You have a right and duty to write your congressman to stop the crookedness of U.S. government, executive branch employees, and judiciary. Yes, crooked IRS management, lawyers, and judges. You have a right and a duty, and it's protected by the First Amendment of the U.S. Constitution. Yes, not just your right to free speech and religion, but also assembly, press, and right to petition the government about redress of grievances. Your complaints, your beef with the government is completely protected, okay, by the U.S. Constitution, so you cannot in any way be punished for writing them. And this is the proper way to have our government change. Through our representatives, congressmen, they can hold hearings, impeach by the House of Representatives, and by Senate remove all of these crooks in government. The same way they try to get rid of Donald Trump, wrongly, of course. Okay, same process applies. Okay, and it legally gives you a great protection in case they're going to come after you. In fact, it gives you, in my opinion, 100% protection. Why? Because you're following the law as it is written by the government. It's written for all of us to follow. Here's the Internal Revenue Code on paper, the whole book right here. You see it in tissue paper thin, paper, tiny font. But we're going to go follow this online a little bit in these petitions to Congress. Let's go and see the first one. For example, we have here on only the first one on how to free yourself from filing and paying U.S. income taxes. On this page, when you go down, you will see the PDF, okay, that now you can download and print and send to your own Congress members to live free of U.S. income taxes. When you open the PDF right here, takes you up here, and you see the defined words like United States to mean only Washington, D.C. and states, which also means Washington, D.C., the District of Columbia. Yes, folks, this is not what I'm saying. This is, as you can see, from the Internal Revenue Code in the chapter on definitions. When used in this title, what title? The Internal Revenue Code, United States means the District of Columbia, and so is the word state means District of Columbia. So, folks, and everything is attached in there. The laws are attached. So when it talks about Section 1 of the Code imposes an income tax on the income of every individual who is a citizen or resident of the United States, is a citizen or resident of Washington, D.C. Yes, my friends. You go down further, you see in this same regulation that every person born and naturalized in the United States and subject to its jurisdiction is a citizen. That's not California or New York or the 50 states. It's a singular, it's jurisdiction. Jurisdiction of the United States government is in Washington, D.C. Yes, all of these laws are attached to the petitions for the congressman to see for themselves. You are following the law 100% as written by Congress, interpreted by U.S. Treasury, and as upheld by U.S. Supreme Court. So you send all these letters, folks, as I showed you guys. You got Supreme Court cases to back up what you're saying also. Here's Meese versus Keene. All this stuff is there. You send all of these letters And folks, you can read these petitions on our website. All of them. You should read all these petitions. They're right here. Okay? You see on our front page, all these 5 petitions. Read them, understand them, send them to your Congress. Protect yourself and change our system from corruption to honesty, not to stop the robbery of American people. You're helping yourself and helping the American people by doing this. And our front page of our website, folks, you can watch videos on this topic. Start with the one on the front page of our website, how no law requires 99% of Americans to file and pay income tax. Watch the videos. It goes to short playlist. From those, you go to longer videos, and share them, folks, with your friends, family members. And remember, you control the key to your freedom. Don't let fear, deception stop you, folks. Bottom line is, what they use against you is fear, false evidence appearing real. Through fear, folks, that's how they control you. And you're going to be, with that, you look like this. You don't want that. You want to know the truth? Here it is, folks. I'll give it to you. Here it is, the truth. Watch the videos for more detail. Send the petition to your congressman. The lawful way to clean up the government and protect you. You're making a record by these petitions to congressmen you send by certified mail. We can do it for you if you want at Freedom Law School, but you can do it for free if you want to. Thank you, and watch a more detailed version of this presentation. The card will come up, or in the description below is listed. Watch the longer video for more detailed, better explanation of this very important topic.